Welcome home, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Mom, you said you had a surprise for me.
Yes, sweetheart.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
I'm happy you like it.
Hello, Mom. Where are you now?
Hi, Emma. I'm outside the hospital now.
Is everything okay, Mom? Are you okay?
Yes, Emma. I'm okay. Don't worry, sweetheart.
Mom, are you feeling okay? Why are you at the hospital?
Don't worry. I'm not sick. I just met your aunt, Dr. Sarah.
Oh, Mom, I'm so relieved. I was really worried about you.
Emma, I have some good news for you.
What's the good news, Mom? Please tell me.
Emma, just wait until I get home. I have a surprise for you.
Okay, Mom. I'll be waiting for you. Please come home soon.
Okay, sweetheart. I'll be home before dinner.
Okay, Mom. Drive safely. Be careful.
Okay, sweetheart. Love you. See you soon.
I love you too, Mom. See you soon. Dad, Mom told me she went to the hospital today.
Yes, sweetheart. She told me about it.
I was really scared.
I know, sweetheart. I was worrier too.
But Mom said she wasn't sick.
That's right, Emma. She just went to see your Aunt Dr. Sarah.
Why did Mom visit Aunt Sarah at the hospital?
They had something important to talk about.
Mom said she had good news.
Yes, she called me too.
Dad, do you know what the surprise is?
No, Emma. I don't know either.
Really, Dad? I can't wait to find out Mom's surprise.
Me too, Emma.
I hope Mom gets home soon.
I'm sure she will. Let's be patient.
Okay, Dad. I can't wait to see Mom.
Me neither, sweetheart.
Hello, Mom. Where are you now?
Hi, Lily. I'm on the bus right now.
Really? Mom, are you on your way home?
Yes, sweetheart. I'll be home soon.
That's wonderful, Mom. Is everything okay?
Yes, sweetheart. Everything is fine.
Mom, how far are you from home now?
I'm about 30 minutes away, sweetheart.
Mom, I can't wait to see you.
Me too, sweetheart. I can't wait to see you either.
Dad and I have been talking about your surprise.
Really, sweetheart? Did you guess what it is?
Dad and I tried, but we couldn't figure it out. Can you give me a little hint?
Sweetheart. It's something that will make you smile.
Really, Mom? I can't wait to find out what the surprise is.
Don't worry, sweetheart. I'll be home before dinner.
Okay, Mom. Dad and I will be waiting for you.
Thank you, sweetheart. I'll see you very soon.
Okay, Mom. I love you. Please stay safe.
Love you too, sweetheart. See you soon.
Hi, sweetheart. Mom. I missed you so much. Welcome home, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Mom, you said you had a surprise for me.
Yes, sweetheart.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
I'm happy you like it.
I love it, Mom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mom. This is the best surprise ever.
Seeing your smile is the best gift for me.